How to hide WhatsApp channels. So if you want to hide WhatsApp channels, then first open up your WhatsApp application. Once you open your WhatsApp, go for the updates, which is here on the bottom left. Once you're here on the updates, here you will have all of the channels that you follow. So to hide the WhatsApp channels, you need to simply unfollow the channel. So to unfollow, you need to simply open up the channel, and under your channel, go for the upper right, which has that three dots, and then tap on unfollow, and again tap on unfollow. And once you unfollow the channel, you will hide that WhatsApp channel. Go back and then again choose the channel, go for the upper right, tap on unfollow, and then again tap on unfollow. Go back and again do that with all of your other channels. Once you've done, you can reload your WhatsApp, and here you can see that you don't have any channels. So that's how you can hide WhatsApp channels. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.